welcome back to Minecraft. Jeez. Terraria. Welcome back to me playing Terraria. No, I haven't played it online before. So what I'm going to do is, I already have a really decent little guy. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a new character. Okay. I definitely don't have an afro. I think this is sort of my hair. My hair is really dark brown. Eyes hazel. Skin is tannish. More of maybe not really a pink. I'll go with this shirt. Well, I'll go with black. No, I'll go with green. And your shirt will be black. My pants, like some blue jeans. And my shoes should be blue. Normal and difficult. I think I'll go with normal for now. That's good. Okay. I will start a new world for you guys. We'll go ahead and do a large world. Oh no. I think I'll go with YouTube. Whoa. It's kind of my thing. Huh. Okay. The only reason it is my thing is, yeah, I laugh out loud a lot. See, that's that annoying sometimes. Oh, okay. Jeez, while it loads, I'm going to talk about my other worlds. I may end up playing it later on in this series. It'll be like a 5-episode series. I don't know why. Like a 2-season series, 5-episode series or something. Okay. So I'm going to play my other profile, and you can play with me if you want to subscribe. I really need some Yep, that makes sense. Yep, that's my new thing. Yep, it's my new phrase. My subscribers. Pretty good world. And I really hope you subscribe. I really need it. This axe sucks. It sucks. Is that iron? I don't know, I can't tell. Let me mine it. Okay. So basically what I'm going to be doing this whole thing is basically playing normal like you would usually see. Oh, 10, that sucks. Okay. Oh, what? That's a lead, isn't it? This is so annoying. I'm just gonna build my house. I'm so used to my other profile. Like, I have a drill and all that stuff. Best armor in the game, and now I'm naked, man. I'm naked. Okay. Okay. I think I'll start my house right here. It's pretty good. I'll start being basic little house. Okay. Like so. I don't know I do that? It makes sense. Kind of, I guess. Okay, make a workbench, which I will place right there. Then I need to make a door. I need to make a chair and a table. Let me place that door right there. Place the chair. Now I need some walls, which I will get right now. Jeez. It's so annoying. If you watch any of my previous episodes, I build pretty decent basic houses. Not really good. But I hope you subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Look at this. What's his name? What's his name? I can't see it. What is your name, man? Stab you with my sword. Jeez. Die's fine. Die. Okay. Hello. Hi. Oh god, that was cruel. That was cruel. Gosh, I want to know what that guy's name is. I'm going to make a 10 pickaxe. I don't know why. Not very smart. That's all I got though. I need a furnace. I need to call stuff. Okay. Let me mine this real quick. If this will be enough, go over here. Make a furnace. First, I'm gonna make some more walls. A lot. I guess like 68 will do. Pretty good. Let me do this. Like that. Hold on. I will be right back in 3 seconds. Okay, I'm back. I just needed to go do something real quick. Last video I tried to do, my dad walked in the room, started talking. So now I need to make, where is my workbench? I mean, no, oh my gosh. Oh, Lord. Where is the furnace? I'll make the hammer. I need a sword. Need some armor. That's pretty. I'm so disappointed. Alright, I don't know where at all where I need to make my furnace. Do I need more wood? Oh. There. Stab you with my wooden sword. Cool. This is so much better. So much better. Steve, that's your name! Yay! Will you move into my house? What? What? Oh. Oh. I see what you want to do to me, Steve. I see. I need some torches. Give me some torches. I can make some. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can just make some. Oh, jeez. I'm so stupid. Torches, 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 3 torches. Put 1 there. And 1 there. Perfect! No, what? Let me place another torch. This better be a house, a good house. Yes. 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 That's a nice house. Finally moved in. Keep going now. What happened to my sword? Oh, there it is. That. There we go. I think I need more. I don't even remember how to make a furnace. How do I make a furnace? Furnace. 20 cobblestone, any wood, and 3 torches. Have 18 cobblestone. 19 cobblestone. 19 cobblestone! 21 cobblestone. And all I need to do is make some torches. Just fire. And then where? Oh, there's. Let's say, where is my furnace? This. Okay, I'm going to end my video right after I make some 10 bars, and then I'll make a new sword. Can I not make a 10 sword? I can't make a 10 sword. No, okay. I will end my video right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back on another episode. And I wish you all a good day. Goodbye.